Welcome back to the garage at DIYGolfCart.com. Today we're going to be installing a custom front seat kit by Modz on this 2012 EZGO RXV.
Do it yourself, go kart. Do it yourself, go kart. Do it yourself, go kart. It's the one-stop shop for installing kart parts.
In this video, we will be replacing the seat back along with the seat base. We are going to retain the armrest and the hardware from the old seat. So let's go take a look at the new seats. Here's the seat kit we're going to be installing today. This kit comes from Modz. What's great about these kits is they're made in the USA, very comfortable, and they're available with multiple color and pattern choices. These are available on DIYGolfCart.com, so you can get on there and design and order your kit today. Now let's get some tools and get these installed. For this project, we're going to need a T45 Torx bit, a 7/16 inch socket, a number 3 Phillips screwdriver or bit, a ratchet, a socket adapter, drill, and 1/8 inch drill bit. Your Modz seat kit will include the seat back, seat base, 12 bolts, and 12 washers. The seat back is secured with 4 bolts. Use your T45 drive and ratchet to remove them. To remove the seat base, tilt the seat forward and lift out of the hinges. First, we're going to need to remove the T45 bolts holding the handrail on. We will not be retaining these as the kit comes with new bolts. Next, we're going to have to remove the 3 Phillips head screws from the hinge. We will be retaining these. Repeat this step on the other side. To install the factory seat base seal, make sure this recess goes towards the front of the seat. Align the 4 holes in the seal with the 4 holes in the seat base. First, we'll be installing the handrails. The driver's side handrail is a little smaller due to the extra clearance needed from the steering wheel. To install the handrails, you're going to need the 8 bolts and washers supplied with the kit. Hand tighten each bolt first and then secure with a 7/16 socket or drill if you want to make it a little faster. Repeat this step on the other side. Next, we're going to install the hinges that were retained from the original seat base. Align the holes in the hinges with the holes in the seat base seal. Next, we will mark the center point of each hole. Use an 1/8 inch bit to create your pilot holes. To secure the hinges, we're going to need our 6 wood screws retained from the original seat. To install the new seat back, Use the bolts supplied in the kit to secure the seat back to the mounting bracket. Repeat this step on the other side. To install the new seat base, line up the hinge slots and drop into place. Next, lay the seat back. So we just finished up installing this Modz front seat kit on our 2012 EZGO RXV. It was a pretty simple installation. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And for all your parts and accessory needs, visit DIYgolfcart.com.